All right, everyone, welcome to an intro to UltraTime. I'm calling this UltraTime 101. So this is kind of a brief overview of UltraTime if you've never used it from the side of being a supervisor or from the side of scheduling. Again, if you're not a visual person, there is going to be a written UltraTime handbook that is in the V drive. Ask a pro staff member and they should be able to help you direct to that. But welcome to Intro to UltraTime. So just some basics as we go through. So what is UltraTime? So UltraTime is a scheduling system that is used by Student Life and Engagement here at MSU. The scheduling to schedule students and non-student employees across the university. UltraTime does sync with our payroll system and also our time clock. So it's really useful if you are more on like trying to check your hours and stuff like that. UltraTime is really helpful there. So there's a few different parts of UltraTime. So as you might be able to see in this diagram, you do have your supervisor UltraTime, which is what we'll be showing you how to use. You have position-based, which is only one part of that, and then event-based, which is another part. And then in order to make it visible to an employee, we'll go over the term released and also generate. So two very different processes, whether you're in position-based scheduling or in event-based scheduling. And then once it's visible to employees, they'll be able to see that in mobile UltraTime, which is not actually mobile. It's what we use online, which is the screen. It just says mobile. It is a mobile icon. But first, we're going to go into what is position-based and how to use it. So position-based, or PBS, is one of the main systems that we use when it comes to scheduling. So this is going to be like 95% of your stuff is going to be done in position-based. It's on a weekly scale, so it thinks in Monday through Sunday. So it'll start Monday of one week and then go all the way till Sunday of the next week. This is something to keep in mind when you go to make shells, which we'll talk about later on, but shells are how you set up position-based to be able to schedule. Position-based can be accessed through the main menu, so we're going to swap over to that and we'll show you what that looks like. But when you do swap into UltraTime, this is what it's going to look like. So what you're going to do is hit login. You'll have two different logins here. You're just going to select your basic one, not the employee login. And so once it loads, you'll get sent to this screen. So this is what we're going to call the UltraTime homepage. And in order to get to your main position-based menu, you're going to hit position-based, and then you want to hit position scheduling. And this will show you everyone who is scheduled and more about that later. But this is just going to be your main scheduling screen that you're going to deal a lot with.